morning students. Today we will discuss about the shadow. Everybody has seen shadow. When you are standing in front of the light, you can see your shadow on the wall. Okay, if you will keep an opaque object in between of the path of light, you can see a black patch. It is called the shadow. Here also you can see this is a tree. Okay, so this is a shadow, black patch. So actually during daytime, when sun rays will fall on the tree from different direction, and you better know from backside also sun rays are coming, so what will happen, they cannot pass through this opaque object, through tree. So what will happen, that portion will be get black, means its shadow will become black on the ground. And wherever transparent things are there, here is a transparent, so here you can see other things, you can see easily, but this portion is coming black because this is the shadow of the tree. So there are three things necessary for shadow. First is source of light, second is an opaque object, and third is a screen. So these things are necessary for making shadow. Here you can see that this is a first thing, source of light. Source of light is a torch. Second thing, an opaque object. This is a bird's toy. And this is a third thing, is a screen. This is a screen. So these things are necessary for making shadow. This is a shadow. So what will happen, this is a, in this picture also you can see easily, this is a source of light. So light rays are falling on an opaque object. Now because it is not transparent, so light cannot pass through them. So light will pass from empty place, but this from here light will not pass. So what will happen, from every side light falls, but this black patch will come because this is an opaque object, bird is an opaque object, toy of bird. So this is a screen. On the screen the black patch will be formed. It is called the shadow. Okay, if any one of these things will be absent, like if source of light will be not over there, or an opaque object will be not over there, or screen will be absent, so shadow will not form. Understood? Means if source of light will be not over there, will shadow form? No. If an opaque object will be not over there, in place of that you will take transparent thing, then also shadow will not form. And if screen will be also not over there, okay, if screen will be not over there, screen can be can anything, means wall also behave just like a screen, ground also behave just like a screen, earth also can behave just like a screen. Okay, so anything can be behave just like a screen where shadow is forming. Understood? Screen doesn't mean that only a white color background. Screen can be your wall, your desk, your any smooth area. Okay, earth, it is, these all are can behave just like a screen. Okay, now there are some characteristics of the shadow. They are the shadow always cast by the objects, means are always black or gray, means shadow color is always black or gray, it will be not colorful. Okay, second thing, for making shadow an opaque object should be over there. If you will take transparent object, then shadow will not form clearly. Shadow, when shadow will form, its size and shape will depend on the position of the source of light. Means you might have seen, if morning you will stand on the ground, okay, your shadow will be different. If you will stand in the evening time, then your shadow will be changed. Same, if you will change the source of light's position, then your particular thing's shadow will be changed. It can be bigger or larger, or smaller or larger. So it will be depend on the position of the source of light. Okay, so these all things are necessary for making shadow.